a better way to approach many of these stressful post-military decisions in a way that can improve your odds at getting some sort of positive return on investment is to use the approach that I call compounding curiosity. And the idea is that rather than being stuck weighing your new identity, who am I, what do I want to be, what do we want to spend our time as a family, all that stress that comes with getting out of the military, along with what are the choices on benefits, job opportunities, where we want to live. We're going to have to deal with that one way or the other. But how do you make it work in your favor? How do you make it increase your odds so that you're less stressful making the decision and building systems that will improve those outcomes? Better chances of success. In the many years that I've been working with military retirees, the ones who I've noticed avoid the decision permission trap the most successfully, and this is when they replaced the choices versus identity with getting down to the nitty gritty. And what is this really all about? It's about time and money, or as we call it, or what we focus on at US Vet Wealth, income. Really, we're always talking about income. We're trying to make more income, replace income, protect income, avoid getting taxed on income, whatever, grow the income. And then, of course, increase our time and the access to it, who controls it, who is giving those permissions. If we take the identity and choices, instead of having them battle against each other, and we put them into a system where we're instead using our time to improve our identity by exploring and doing the networking thing, getting on LinkedIn, as you're using more and more of your time to figure out what is your new identity going to be by being genuinely curious. That's the key here, is everything in the middle is about being curious. Being curious about how do you want to spend your time? Is it to go watch the football game, or is it to go explore something new? As you're doing that, you're going to define more things that interest you and meet a lot more people. And that's going to increase your opportunities for more income. And as you get more income, you get more choices with how you spend your time, and of course, reinvest into your talents, which is going to increase more income. So simply recognizing that everything is A/B testing. And by just recognizing, hey, I'm just being curious. I need to go explore what is out there. No preconceptions whatsoever. In order to stop following orders, recognize that everything is a decision in which you have the permission to make. And so when it comes specifically to the financial decisions and the military benefit decisions, by being more curious about what your real situation is right now as a high income earner, it's going to open up all sorts of doors for you that you just weren't aware of quite yet. Compounding curiosity is one of many of the tools that we use to help retirees reframe stressful military decisions, especially the ones that have to do with their time and their income. And we've just noticed over the years that the retirees that have an easier time getting to what they find to be an impactful and happy post-military life have used this type of approach. So we look forward to working with you in some capacity, whether it's the survivor benefit plan decision and alternative qualification process, or one of the other things that we like to work with high income and high net worth retirees on. So if you're ready to talk with us, make sure you click the schedule a discovery call button, and we'll set up a call with myself or one of my colleagues. We look forward to it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching this video. If you'd like to see more lessons such as this and a number of articles on topics around survivor benefit plan, thrift savings plan, I'd like to invite you to our new military retirement blueprint. You can get access in the link below, and we'll see you inside the new portal.